name's Amy, and today we're staying in Miami, Florida. We're staying at Stay Cozy at this beautiful one-bedroom unit that has incredible bay and downtown views. This unit is light, bright, and chic. It's the perfect stay for your Miami getaway. Come with me and let's take a little tour inside. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Stay Cozy's unit right here in Miami, Florida. If you like this video and you want to see more travel videos, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.